Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix can't open Gcash app. First of all, open up the settings of your phone. Once you get into its settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now from General, tap on iPhone Storage option. Then scroll down in iPhone Storage until you find the Gcash app. After finding the app, tap to open it up. Here, tap to offload the app. This will free storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Or you can delete the app from here and then reinstall the app. Also, ensure you have the latest version of the Gcash app installed on your device. Outdated apps may not function correctly. Update the app to your devices. On Android devices, you can try clearing the app's cache to resolve issues. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.